Hello my friends from social media, this is Juan Osorio from AHS Workholding. I hope you're all having a fantastic Friday so far. I made this small educational video about workholding on complex parts for fixtures that are meant for machining purposes. I hope you enjoy it and it adds something positive to your day-to-day. Now, what I mean by complex is that we have a part coming from casting that is in a manner thin and large, and that can be subject to deformity if it's not held in the proper way. We need to make sure that we're using the best points on the part for locating and clamping, and also that we're doing it in the right sequence. That way, we can make sure the part to machine will be held with the minimum force required for stable and precise machining. In this video, we can see there are 3 steps to hold the part. First, the clamps that are coming over the top, and then the clamps that go on the sides. My friends, if you want to explore what AHS Workholding can do for your company, please feel free to give me a direct message, send me an email, or call me on my cell phone so we can schedule a short meeting or conference to see what we can do for you. Goodbye, and I hope you have a very nice weekend.